welcome to Snow Busters. This is the plow truck part 2. We got our storm coming in tonight, and we should be plowing by tomorrow, if not tomorrow night. I added the stay back graphics to the back. I don't know how many of you, if this was in another video, but these are 48 watts. There's 2 of them. I took the flags off. I'm not plowing with them. There's 200 pounds of salt and 140 pounds in those sandbags. That's just a little start. I'm going to pick up some more graphics. So I added the square things to let people know I take credit cards, and I put new mirrors on. These are them big towing mirrors, and they slide out like that if you want to. Okay, and who you gonna call? I added that. We got the plow on her now. She's all set up, ready to rock and roll. A little rusty, but she's trusty. And so, like I said, the new mirrors. Let's hop inside and have a look. Oh, I know a lot of you probably saw videos before, but I've added some stuff. This here is for my phone, which will also dub as another camera. This here is the camera, and it's in the mirror. Okay, so that's the screen. I took the SD card out. It's inside. Alright, so we added a CB radio so we could talk to other subcontractors. And then for the guys that work for me, we got a UHF two-way radios. So this is the UHF radio right here. Breaker. And then this is the breaker, the CB mic. And there's our 7-inch touchscreen GPS. That's our surveillance, it is a surveillance camera. But as for the back, there's my desk. Okay, this slides out. Got my clipboard. Got my clipboard here. And I gotta watch, I don't want to show nobody's phone number. Alright, so this is my plow log, one of them. Each job site has its own. I'm sure you guys remember the snowplow book. Okay. So we got that. It's all just reach away, ink pen, everything. It just sits over there like that. Seatbelts in. These desks, you know, they come in a few different styles. You can get them for your laptop, whatever. That down there is a light bar for the roof. It's that 55-watt dual rotator. I can't see no picture on it because they taped the crap out of the box when they shipped it to me. Anyway, it's brand new. It's the last one I've got to sell. I'm selling it, so I'm keeping it in the truck. So there's the two-way radio. There's the camera. There's the GPS. This is the rear camera / salt spreader. That's the forward camera. This is where the phone the phone camera is gonna clip in here. The switch for the back lights was right here, but it got busted, so I put a new switch in. This actually came with 2 switches, but I only need 1. And I put it over here. I gotta tape these wires up, but I don't know where my tape's at the moment. I'm just gonna tape them right here to this plastic thing so they're not hanging. So anyway, to kick them bright floods on the back, I just flip that switch. Now they're on, now they're off. Salt spreader, headlights, on, off, high beam, low beam, and plow controller, two-way radio, cassette gizmo gadget so I can listen to crazypraiseradio.com. It's a great commercial-free radio station. Shameless plug because I own it. If you like Christian music, go to it. It's crazypraiseradio.com. That's the roof light bar controller. And I'm going to make this short, guys, because that's really it. I mean, I'm geared up. I'm ready to go. I love the new mirrors. Absolutely love them. When you go from regular little truck mirrors that are just basically the same as car mirrors, but maybe just a little bit bigger, you know, to these full-blown mirrors like this that got the convex mirror on the bottom there. I mean, that's pretty sweet. You see that bottom mirror, I can see where my back tire is. Okay? That's important to me. See, you see it there too. So when I'm backing up, I can see where I'm backing, you know what I mean? That's my snow shovel handle. Keep it right there so I can just fling it and get it. Oh, actually I do have one more little trick up my sleeve. Right here. Okay? We always get calls, you know, you guys know how it is when you're out there on the road and, you know, your truck's messy, whatever, right? See? Mess. You need paper. So what I did was I got me a little notepad. Okay? I don't know what's on there. So, yeah, it's somebody's address and phone number. Alright, so what I did was I hung it with a CB radio mic clip. You know, for that truckers have. It's hard to do one-handed. So I could just peel it right off. And then, I can't do it one-handed, sorry guys. But that's the hang your CB mic. Well, that's its original purpose, but anyway, as you just saw, I have, here, stare at the road. I'm gonna put you up here. Hey, this here is the mount. But, if I take in just a little bit past the mount and see it, that'll work out good when I'm plowing. We'll have this angle. And then, oh, it's not gonna let me do it. I have a camera on the other side of the phone, but it's not gonna let me switch cameras, which I thought it would. That's probably for the best. You don't want to see me. Alright guys, so that's it. Snowbusters, we are ready to roll. And so yeah. Oh, one last thing. Our two-way radio here.
No longer in effect. Accumulations 6 to locally 9 inches, especially north of Courtland. Timing: heavier snow showers will continue across the northern half of the county through tonight. Impacts: lake effect snow and snow squalls will lead to rapid accumulations of snow and very poor visibilities at times. Hazardous travel conditions are expected. Winds west 10 to 20 miles.
I'm shooting a video for YouTube.
Dropping into the teens tonight.
Why? What's Mama want to do?
I don't know. She just wants to know what you're doing.
Tell Mommy that I'm doing guy stuff.
Okay, I love you.
Love you too, baby girl. Say hi to all my snowplow buddies.
Hi, snowplow buddies.
Say hi to the plow guys.
Hey, plow guys.
And
To the plow girl.
well, I'm sure he has him a plow girl. You can say hi to her too.
Hi, plow girl.
Alright, go tell Mommy bye.
Okay.
Bye, love.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Alright, guys. That's it. That's all. Mama Bear's being nosy. Aren't they always? Oh, you see that sign on the back of the Jeep there? That's my sign shop. Right there, Green Image Marketing. So anyway, I make that. That shoe's coming back up here. Like, what? What? Alright, guys. Peace, love, and chicken grease. Stay safe. And, yeah, thanks, Canada. You guys are giving us that Arctic air. It's setting up over the Great Lakes. We're about to get slammed hard with the, lake effect snow. Hey, there's my boy. He must have got in trouble at school because he looked at me and he ran to the porch. Alright, I gotta go because apparently Mama's leaving.